Kajingdo jong school khasi jantia Presbyterian Higher Secondary School Mission Compound hagithilit ding jong steps nya arpoitrik jemmang arja arpulai kala long kajingdo ya baro Henry ka bakham kerpang gade yegi nonghikai bat yegi kena school jong ani school Henry ka jingwan jong menteri rangba ka jala megalaya u konrad ki sangma haringkat bat ki weide ki nomik man kala pentingan mensi miki na kajing ai jingkular ban kershan ban tei thma ya kani school Hagjingwan jurip ni ka step umentri rangba ula pentip baun ïarap mardor siklor tingka lyngba ka Chief Minister's Special Development Fund CMSDF syakani ka school.
Sad in a very tragic incident that happened. This was a very, very old school and a very old infrastructure, and it's a great loss for the students, for the school, the church, and the community as a whole. There are many people whose lives were transformed in the school, many people who have studied in the school, and today to see what has happened is something that is very, very sad and very, very tragic. But I wanted to just come here and along with other leaders, and we've met the principal and other managing committee members and the teachers, and we have assured them that we as a government and as a society, we are with them, and we will ensure that we all work together to rebuild the school together. I have promised them that immediately from my Chief Minister's Special Development Fund, I am releasing 1 crore to the school, and after that, once the full detailed estimates of the building comes up, then we will work out and we will work together to arrange the necessary funds to ensure that this school comes back to what it was. I'm sure that we cannot give back the same touch to it in the sense that it was a very old and a heritage building, and but I'm sure the managing committee will appropriately decide how to move forward. But as I said, I've come here to show my solidarity with the people and with the students and with the managing committee and the community as a whole, and we assure them of complete help and support from our side. And as I said, we will work together. I know it's a difficult time for them, but let me assure them that we will work together to rebuild the school again.
Umentri rangba ula kran siki bor penyat bat ki nonghikai jong kani ka school ban aiman semiki kat bala halor kani ka jingjia.
But I just want to tell you that we are all with you. We will ensure that we rebuild this together. We will get the design done. We will rebuild it together. I have told your principal also that immediately from my Chief Minister's Special Development Fund, I will be releasing 1 crore to the school account so that we can maybe start the work. And after that, from the government side, we will give all the necessary help to ensure that we are able to rebuild the school. So keep faith. Okay. I know it's a difficult time. This is the moment you all need to be together. You have to have faith in God. You have to pray, and He will definitely bless us. Okay? We will all, as I said, we will all do this together. You are not alone in this. We are all with you. Whether it's the community, whether it's the leaders here, whether it's the government, and even at individual level, I'm also there. With energy process.
Thank you so much.
Hello. Oi. Em ấp